Hi, this is Sandeep from EC department, third year, roll number 42. Today we are going to see about the computation of endpoint DFT in a column wise. For that we need to follow the 5 steps. First step is to store the signal in a column wise, and the second step is to compute the endpoint DFT of each row, and the third step is which we are going to multiply with the Twiddle factor. We will get G of L comma Q matrix, and the fourth step is to compute the L point DFT, and the last step is to read the arrays in a row wise. For example, if n is given, it should be split into two factors, that is N is equal to capital L into M, where small l ranges between 0 to capital L minus 1 and the small m ranges between the 0 to capital M minus 1. If we compute the M point DFT, we will get capital F of L comma Q. After that, we are going to multiply with the Twiddle factor. We will get G of L comma Q, and then last but one step, we will get we need to compute the L point DFT, that is capital X of P comma Q. Here is one example where capital N is equal to 15. We need to compute the 15 point DFT. For that, we need to divide into the two factors, that is 5 into 3, where capital L is equal to 5 and capital M is equal to 3. First of all, we need to write in a column wise, that is column wise matrix. After that, we need to compute the M point DFT. Here, for calculation of M point DFT, capital M is equal to 3 and capital L is equal to 5, where Q ranges between the 0 to capital M minus 1, that is 0 to 2. For computation of capital F of L comma Q, we have discussed earlier. That is written here. Small l ranges between 0 to L minus capital L minus 1, that is 0 to 5 minus 1, that is 4. We will get F of L comma Q matrix. After that, we need to multiply with the Twiddle factor, Wn power LQ, where n is equal to 15. We already know the properties of Wn. We will get the G of L comma Q matrix. We will get the G of L comma Q matrix. After getting of G of L comma Q, with the help of G of L comma Q, we can find L point DFT, that is capital X of P comma Q, that is summation over L is equal to 0 to capital L minus 1 and G of L comma Q, which should be multiplied with the WL power LP. So after getting the capital X of P comma Q matrix, it should be read in a row wise. Ultimately we should get output array. We already given an input array, so it should be read in a row wise. So for calculation of N point DFT, that is 15 point DFT, we will get we are getting like this matrix. We are getting like this matrix. Okay, thank you.